Welcome back to data analysis class with Power BI. Today we'll be considering an analysis whereby we use uh, a scattered chart to analyze the various salary range along the years job has been done. Now, how do we go about that? If you notice in our case study, we already have something like this whereby we have the experience level versus the salary, and we have a play button that runs along from 2020 2020 to 2022. So we have a legend. So we're also going to be trying to do this in our Power BI too. Now, quickly, what we'll do is that we have to click on scattered chart. Now, the next thing we want to do is firstly, we want to bring in our experience level into the experience level here. Then it's going to be a count. Then, oh, it's going to be on the y-axis. Now you bring it to the y-axis. Then the next thing you would want to do with that is it should be a discrete count. Then the next thing we want to do is want to bring in our um x-axis, which is the salary, and we'll be using that of the US dollars into the x-axis. Now, the next thing we also want to be doing is we want to bring in our salary for each sector of the job. Now, we'll be bringing in our job titles into the legend so that we can visualize each of them. Now you could see we have the different jobs in different sectors. This is going to be a sum. Now, in this case, now what we are going to be doing here next is that for the play button, we are going to be dragging the ear into the play axis. Once we drag the ear into the play axis, now you notice there is a play button between 2020 and 2021, and if you play it, you would see that there is a change across the years. Now this is for 2022, this is for 2021, and this is for 2020. So that's how you go about that. And then we could do some other confinement. If we say this should be just a count, now this is what we have on our um reference work, whereby if you play it, you could see there's a change across the years. Now, if you notice, in 2020, the salary range was just about 4 million for the various data sectors. Then in 2021, it scattered a bit, but we are having some around 6 million. And then once you move into 2020, you could see it came back up. And then now we are even having some across the 8 million data set and more of across the 4 million. Now, this is just trying to tell us the various salary range of our data along the years past, and how it has changed. So for our legend, we can click here, click on legend. Then I don't want it to be top right, but I want it maybe by the center right hand. Now it's just the way it is from our reference work. We have moved it here, and now you can see that this is the same analysis from the reference work. Finally, we'll be discussing the last part of it, which is more so a chart like this where we have all the big. This is called a word cloud. It's called a word cloud. So now on my own end from here, um, there is a visualization called a word cloud. Presently, it's not on this visualization thing, you have to sign up into uh, you have to sign up into the system, that is Microsoft Power BI, to be able to use this service. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click sign up, or alternatively you could say get more visuals. This dot 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 means get more visuals. It will ask get more visuals. Now it will require me signing in into my account, signing in into my account from Microsoft.com. That is gift Ahmed at Microsoft.com. Now it's going to pop up an option, and this is my account. And if you notice, it should give me the visuals coming up now. It's loading up. Here, it's a place where you can download more visuals for your analysis depending on what you want to do. The list is endless, you can't exhaust it. But the one we are looking for is the one we call word cloud. So we search for word, sorry, we have searched for the word cloud. Now we have it here, word cloud. You just click on it, and once it's make sure that you are connected to the internet. You could download sample, but for now I just want to add it, and it's free of charge. Now I can it has been imported here, and if you notice from here, from this section, now I now have a new visual called the word cloud. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on it and drag in my job titles. Once you drag in your job titles, okay, it did not enter, you can just drag it here as a categorical value, and boom, you already have it here just as it is there. We could see the main concept here. We have data, we have analyst, we have engineer. Now this word cloud is just like a frequency chart where it shows the highest most occurring word in a particular set of field. Now we could do some other confinement with this, but for now we'll call it a day and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.